Man, hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. For today, I'm gonna be driving to my in-laws' land. It's a quiet, peaceful, private place to go shoot. Today's video is about, I'm gonna just show y'all my loadout for the week, what I usually carry for the week. I saw a dude, I think his name With the Kicks. His videos inspired me to make this video. So I'm gonna just show y'all my loadout for the week.
No fucks, AP pull up to the crib, he better duck. I told P if he pull up to this truck, he gon' get turned to a pack of runs. Yeah, nigga fuck Coco too. If he run up, he get sent to the sun. Only Coco I know is.
Y'all probably was like, what is he talking about loadout for the week? Let me just show y'all this. This is what I was talking about. So I got the TTI Combat Canik and this AR-15 16-inch barrel that I built myself. That's my loadout for the week, man. First up, I'm gonna shoot the Canik just to show y'all how smooth this thing is. I cleaned it yesterday because I don't know if you see my short. I already shot it before. So let me just show y'all how this baby run, man. Hey, boy oh boy. Next up, I'm gonna shoot my AR. I did just get this optic. I think it's the 6-hour Romeo 7. I zeroed it myself, so it may not be accurate at all. But hey, dang, this thing's so hard to turn. Hey, don't judge me either, because I like my optics bright. That's what's best for me. Helps me see. Go with the black clip first. That may be a FUD for that. That may be a FUD. Did I just drop the magazine? There we go. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I shot some of the paper too. The paper target I meant. Oh, right there. Yeah, the rest of them, oh, right there. The rest of them pretty much off, but it's okay. And I do got the safety on for anybody saying it's still around in the chamber. I know. That's what my finger is over here. Safety is on. I was shooting some mean stuff at that target, boy. Them green tips don't play at all. This is my home defense round too. They always say practice with your home defense round because you don't know which round would work for your gun or don't work for your gun. So always practice with it. But yeah, green tips the way to go. Hey, let's get back on that Canik train though. Hey, these headphones work so good. I'm hearing like geese or something in the background. Oh, they over there in the flying. Look, that's so far from where I'm at right now. These headphones, that's crazy. Hey, I know y'all heard them dings though. We on target with it. We is on target with it, buddy. I gave up trying to shoot the paper target. Not gonna lie to you. I was gonna shoot the AR one time, but the in-laws just called and told me that the neighbors complained that it's too loud. They don't care about the pistol, but the AR is too loud. So I ain't gonna shoot it out of respect. Neighbors live right there. I don't know if you can see that little house. Then over there, all across there, they can't hear. I don't think they can hear either. It's just them. So out of respect for them, I'm just close down shop. I just wanted to show y'all my loadout for today. Well, for the week actually. But this right now is currently my favorite AR. I just built an ARP, and this still takes the cake for me. And this what I've been practicing with for a minute. Use this for home defense. But I also got a 12 gauge shotgun that I use for home defense also. But I just practice more with this, so this is more comfortable for me. But let me know in the comments what other guns y'all would like to see me shoot. I already got my gun collection video up. So y'all just watch that. Tell me which guns y'all want me to come out here and shoot, man. Big Grizz out.